to Bethlehem to find a place to give birth to him. But everybody was, so they kept on having to look, 'cause they was early and it was late. And they found out it was the day. Their eyes were filled with joy when they saw the little baby boy. And the animals are fed, and that's where they laid the baby's head. Jesus was officially born, but he wasn't in his official home. Said Christmas Day is here, it has come for another year. It's Jesus' birthday, and he's here to stay. I said Christmas Day is here, he has come for another year. It's Jesus' birthday, and he's here to stay. And now there's a story that is fake, but people still believe it today. It's about this guy who just little kid surprise. He gives them life.